Hello, everyone. As someone once said, statistics are like bikinis. What they reveal is suggestive, but what they conceal is vital. But the way Facebook organized them, you can easily find what you're looking for. But the question is, what are you trying to find? Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Your page statistics can be found when you go to your page and then click on Insights. You can choose stats from today, yesterday, last 7 or 28 days. No matter the time, you can export all Facebook page, post, or video data in desired format, date range, and layout. Overview. The titles shown here present in grand detail via numbers and graphics how your page has been doing in the selected time of period. Under those informational boxes, you can see all your published posts and how they were received by the audience. By combining that, you too will be able to create better posts for your page. For example, some of the posts have bigger reach, but no engagement, and vice versa. You're getting these stats from this part of the overview. What should you do? First step is call to action, so your visitors can be more engaged in your posts. Thus, reach and impressions will grow. By clicking on each part separately, you can track your audience interests for your page. For example, who follows you more, male or female? What age they are? What actions did they take? For example, here you can see when is the best time and date to publish your post, whether if it be for male or female, or do you have more followers or unfollowers on a specific date range. By scrolling down, you can see the pages that are similar to yours, the pages that you have manually added, so you can track their growth and compare it with yours. Followers. Total number of followers, how they grow from one day, month, year to another is essential. It's not that of an issue if you stagnate from time to time, or if you have unfollows. Problems, however, do appear if you do not have new ones on a regular basis, or more unfollowers than followers. It also goes for page likes. That means you do not work regularly on your page. Ads. Transfers you to the Ads Center. From here, you can create ads and see the insights of your ads. You can grow your business, see the metrics, and follow the results. More on that in Ads Manager. Audience. Create an audience with all the specifics so they can easily be engaged in your ads or edit your audience that is already created. Shops. Place where you can see shops, create one, add catalog, manage lists. For the rest, it transfers you to the Commerce Manager. More on that you can find in our video tutorial, how to create Facebook Shop and Catalog. Likes. Where you can see total page likes, and where your page likes happened. Reach. The good thing in this part is that you have separate insights for posts and story, so you can easily track organic and paid reach. It's completely fine if paid reach is bigger than organic, but it can be very satisfying when you have this. Page views. This is an interesting part because you can see who viewed your page by section, age, gender, country, city, and device. This way, you can create posts and ads much more precisely. Actions on page. On each page you have specific tabs and buttons. For more info on that, check out our video tutorial how to create Facebook page. This part of Insights shows you how your audience uses those buttons, clicks and demographics for each button, directions, website, phone number, action button. Posts. Here you can see detailed information about each of your posts, organic and paid reach, engagement. But you can also promote your post directly from this part of Facebook page. By clicking on the post insights, you get the exact numbers. It's important to track time and days when you post something. For example, if you post on a regular basis, you can see whether your posts have more interactions during the morning, day, night, and on which day specifically. That way you know when to post the most important things on your page. But keep in mind, don't forget that if you post only on Mondays or Wednesdays at noon, that will definitely be the days with the best insights. By clicking on post types, you can see the difference between photos, links, and simply statuses. Top posts from pages you watch. Interesting parts of insights, you can add pages that you want to follow, and track engagement of those posts. Branded content. It transfers you straight to the Brand Collabs Manager. You can read those insights if you have partnership, so that way you can easily track metrics. For more information on that, check out our video tutorial, Brand Collabs Manager. Events. It transfers you straight to the Pages Events part where you can create event or see the previous ones. Movies. If you uploaded any movies on your page, this is the part where you can see the insights. Videos. Your uploaded video insights will be right here. If you've been uploading videos, you have to know that you can monetize them. How? If you have over 10,000 followers, 30,000 1-minute views of videos in the last 60 days, that lasts at least 3 minutes. Now your country may not be able to support this option, but if it does, make the most of it. Stories. Great thing about this part is that you can see demographics, unique opens, and engagement. In order to access the story insights, first you'll have to turn them on. Combining those with a number of published stories, this can give you the right insights in what to post as a story. People. Demographics of fans, followers, and people reached by age, gender, country, city, and language. Very important part when it comes to placing the product, post, service, or business. Messages. How responsive are you? Should you be faster, more polite, call people to action? This part shows you what to do as a next step. Definitely try to be as fast and communicative and polite as you can. And if you don't know how, check out our tutorial, How to Communicate Through Messages. API. Special part for developers. Not every page has it. But if you're creating an app, that is the primary way to get data into and out of the Facebook platform. Orders. If you have a shop on Facebook, this tab will show up. It shows how many conversions did you have, from which catalog, and each segment is clickable so you can see insights for each one separately. Keep in mind that from almost each tab you can create a new post and click on a promote button whenever you want to promote your page. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.